Ever sat there looking at a client file, wondering how to charge, what to charge? It's not an issue anymore. Let me introduce SmartPath. What SmartPath does is it takes all of the data that they have gathered over the years and helps the tax or accounting professional determine the amount of work and what to charge appropriately so you have margin. When you have margin, you become profitable and you also gain control. So if you've not seen this before, check out SmartPath and see what it can do for you in your practice to make your practice more profitable. And frankly, it's a lot more fun when you're making money, especially the money you should be making. So go ahead, check out SmartPath and see the difference that it can make in your practice, whether it's a new practice or one you've been running for decades. All right. I think you'll find this eye-opening and again, highly profitable.